dear students. Now I am going to be continuing the concepts of the differentiation. In the differentiation, next we are going to be studying on the concept of the what? The differentiation of function, or you can say the differentiation of composition of function by the what? Chain rule. So by the method of the chain rule, differentiation of composite function, we can say, or differentiation of function by what? Chain rule. So in the chain rule, so directly I am going to be solved using some examples. So by using some basic examples, I am going to be continue the examples. So when I take the example like differentiate with respect to x. So composition of the differentiation of function of the function is going to be asked for the 1 mark simply, and those are very important for the example first. Got it? So when I take the first one example, y equal to, for example, if I take this is 5x square plus 3x plus 2 whole raised to 6. So whenever I take the examples like this is what? Y equal to 5x square plus 3x plus 2. Here we see the two functions. One is in the x raised to n form, and one more is the x. So by using the chain rule. Now what I will consider, this one 5x square plus 3x plus 2, I will consider as the x. Now it is what? X raised to 6. Now I consider this 5x square plus 3x plus 2 whole raised to 6 in the form of x raised to 6. What is the differentiation of x raised to 6? 6x raised to 5. Is it? 6x raised to 5. Now what I have been did? Did only the differentiation for the order of the function. So order of the function is, they may give in the form of the root also. So that time we have to apply to only the order of the what? The function. Okay. So x raised to 6. So we have been done the differentiation only for the order of the function. Next what we have to do? We have to differentiate that x with respect to x. So here if it is a x raised to 6, I have been written 6x raised to 5. It means dy by dx is what? That is 6 5x square plus 3x plus 2 whole raised to 5. I have been kept this x as it is. Then differentiation of this one. It means the differentiation of x is 1. Like that we have to do. Get it? So the differentiation of here 5x square plus 3x plus 2 is 5x square is 10x plus 3x is 3 plus 2 is 0. So the differentiation of 5x square plus 3x plus 2 whole raised to 6 is, that is 6x raised to 5, the differentiation of this one. First what we have to do? We have to apply to the order of that function, then the main function. One more example I will take. The second one. If y equal to, that is the 8x cube minus 6x square plus 3x minus 9 whole raised to 8. Then how to differentiate this one with respect to x? Then again I consider this one as the x raised to 8. Then x raised to 8 is 7, 8, x raised to 7. Then differentiation of x is 1. Like that we have. Actually how we did the basic thing is x raised to 8 is, first we have to apply to the order of the differentiation, that is 8x raised to 7. Then the differentiation of x. 8 mugitu, then differentiation of x is 1. Getting? Like that we have to do here, that is dy by dx is equal to, that is 8x cube is 24x square. Sorry, 8x raised to 8 is, that is 8x cube minus 6x square plus 3x minus 9 whole raised to 7. That is 8x raised to 7. The differentiation of this one is 8x cube is 24x square minus 6x square is minus 12x plus 3x is plus 3 minus 9 differentiation is 0. So look here. Again what I did, that is x raised to 8 is 8x raised to 7. Then 8x cube differentiation is 8x raised to 7. Then 8x cube differentiation 24x square minus 12x plus 3 minus 9 differentiation is what? 0. Here the power of x goes on decreasing. That you have to be remember always. Got it? One more example I will take again. That is I will take it as, that is okay, that is third one example in the form of the root. Whenever I take y equal to root of, that is 5x square plus 3x plus 4. So first what we have to do, we have to differentiate the order, then the main function. Getting? So here again I can take this one as the root x. Root x differentiation is 1 divided by 2 root of x. First I have been applied the formula for the root, then the differentiation of x is 1. Getting? So we will solve some type of the example, don't worry. We will solve some few more examples to understood this type of the examples by using the what? Chain rule. Then the differentiation of y is dy by dx. So this one I can keep this one as 1 divided by 2 root of x. Instead of x, what I have to do? 5x square plus 3x plus 4. First we have been applying for the root, then for the x terms. 5x square differentiation is 10x. Differentiation of 3x is 3. Differentiation of 4 is 0. See, whenever we are going to differentiate the main term, its domain, then we have to keep those differentiation terms in the numerator, not in the denominator. Look here. Here also I have been, so it is not in the form of here the denominator. So root x is 1 by 2 root of x. The differentiation of this one you should have to keep in the numerator. Remember. Got it? One more example I will take on the root again. That is fourth one. If y equal to, then again the root of a x square plus bx plus c. Again I have to apply this one. I have to consider this one as the root of x. Then dy by dx is root of x. Differentiation is 1 divided by 2 root of x means ax square plus bx plus c. Got it? The differentiation of ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square is, keep the a as it is, that is, this is the constant. The x square term is 2x. It means what you get? 2ax. Here the constant with x variable, b is constant. The differentiation of x is 1. Then b to 1 is b. Then differentiation of c is 0. Like that we have to do. Getting? So these are all the basic examples now we are learning. So I will take the one more example. So you can take the notes by doing the pause, the video, then you have to be note down. Video na pause ಮಾಡಿ, then notes ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next, the example number 5. Example number 5. When I take the y equal to whole root of x square minus 1 divided by, that is 2x square plus 1. Whole root of x square minus 1 divided by 2x square plus 1. So that time what you do? Here again is in the form of root of x, but x is in the form of u by v. Getting? First root ಗೆ apply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ u by v ಗೆ apply. First ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Order ಘಟಿಸಬೇಕು. That is dy by dx is 1 divided by 2 root of x square minus 1 divided by 2x square plus 1. Correct? First ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ? I have been apply the formula for the order of that given example. Then for the main x term. So root ಮುಗಿತು ಇವಾಗ ಕೆಲಸ. Then ಒಳಗಿನ term ಉಳಿತೇನೋ? This is u by v. First we keep the v as it is. 2x square plus 1. The differentiation of x square is 2x. The differentiation of minus 1 is 0. See, I am writing in the numerator only. Then minus. We have to keep the u as it is, that is x square minus 1. Then differentiation of 2 x square plus 1 is, that is 4x. The differentiation of plus 1 is 0 whole divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square, that is v square. Getting? So this is what some basic examples for the what? Chain rule. Getting? The next one example. When I take the sixth one example, this is also very simple. Whenever it is having y equal to whole root of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 raised to 6. Now it is in which form? Look here. Now I consider this 3x square plus 2x plus 1 as the x. It means I will consider this one is y equal to root of x raised to 6. So root of x raised to 6 is 1 divided by 2 root of x raised to 6. First I have to apply for the order. Then differentiation of x raised to 6 is x raised to 5. Then differentiation of x is 1. It means at the last we apply only for the domain. First we are going to be ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. From outer side to the inner side we have to differentiate. Again I am repeating, from outer side to the inner side. Whenever it is having a simple function, whenever it is having the simple function. So ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾವ trigonometric function ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. So these are all the for what? The simple functions. Okay. So this one what I have to be write? dy by dx. This one I consider the x raised to 6. It means root of x raised to 6. Root of x is 1 divided by 2 root of x. See, wherever x is there, first you write down 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Don't get confused. Next what I have to do? 6x raised to 5. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. The differentiation of this x term. 3x square is how much? That is 6x plus 2x differentiation is 2. Then plus 1 differentiation is 0. Again I am repeating this one example. So look here. Root of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 whole raised to 6 is, what we are going to be write? This is root of x is 1 divided by 2 root of x. X is in the form of x raised to 6. Then x raised to 6 differentiation is 6x raised to 5. Don't forget. X raised to 6 is 6x raised to 5. Then differentiation of x is this. Again now x and differentiation mugitu ishtu. Then this is what? The differentiation of y equal to root of 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So again I am going to be take the same type of the example. The seventh one example. The same. Y equal to whole root of, that is, which one shall I take here? That is 3x plus 1 whole raised to 7. Then how we are going to be differentiate? This one is nothing but root of x raised to 7. Then root of x raised to 7 means how we are going to be differentiate? From outer side to inner side we have to apply. This is root of x. That is 1 divided by 2 root of x. Then root mugitu. Then x raised to 7 is 7x raised to 6. Then x differentiation is 1. Like that we have getting. So other ratio other ಏನ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂತ ಬರೋದು. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹಚ್ಚಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ x ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರೋದು. First this order, then x term. Again I am repeating. First this order, then for the x term. So this one how can we write? dy by dx is that is 1 divided by 2 root of 3x plus 1 whole raised to 7. Wherever x is there, put the 3x plus 1. Then this is root mugittu. Then 3x plus 1 whole raised to 7 is that is 7. 3x plus 1 whole raised to 6. Then idurdu mugittu 7 du mugittu. Then 3x plus 1 is 3x is 3 plus 1 differentiation is 0. So this is how we are going to do the differentiation by using the what? The chain rule. Getting? Okay. So the next one type of example. The next one type of the examples. The next one type of the examples in the chain rule. So whenever it is having y equal to 1 divided by 5x square minus 3x plus 3 whole raised to 3. So here you can apply the u by v also, or else, so already in the beginning of the differentiation I told you that even though you can apply the u by v also, or else I will consider this one as the what I will consider y equal to this term as the x, 1 divided by x cube. So what is the differentiation of 1 divided by x cube? Nan helidini first order hachri. So 1 divided by x cube is y dash is minus 3 divided by x raised to 4 minus n divided by x raised to n plus 1. Getting? So here x cube mugitu, then differentiation of x is very simple. So here the differentiation of this one is dy by dx is equal to minus n, minus 3 divided by wherever x is there, put the 5x square minus 3x plus 1 minus 3 divided by 5x square minus 3x plus 3 whole raised to 4. So this order is over. Then differentiation of the x term, 5x square is 10x minus 3x is minus 3 plus 3, differentiation is 0. So this is what the differentiation of this. Shall I take the one more example? The next one, that is y equal to, so I think this is the example, I don't know the number actually, so you only keep on putting the example numbers. Okay, 1 divided by that is, okay, then it is a 8x cube minus 4x plus 1 raised to 9. Then how we are going to do this one example? So this is also 1 divided by x raised to 9. This is 1 divided by x raised to 9. Then how you do this 1 divided by x raised to 9? That is 1 divided by x raised to n. Then divided by dx is minus 9 divided by x raised to 10. So 9 is mugitu. Then differentiation of x is 1. So it means dy by dx is what? That is minus 9 divided by 8x cube minus 4x plus 1 whole raised to 10. So the differentiation of order 9 is over. The differentiation of this x terms is 8x cube is 8 3s are 24 and the power of x 1 goes on decreasing. Minus 4x is minus 4 plus 1 differentiation is 0. So like that we have to do the differentiation. Getting? Okay. So if you have any doubts, so you can ask me by calling me, okay? So don't worry about that one. The next one. if y equal to if y equal to root of 5x plus 3 whole raised to 8, then what you have to do? So I will take this one root of 5x plus 3 as the x. The total and the x anta total. So x raised to 8 is what? dy. What I told you? From ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೊರಗಿಂದ ಒಳಗೆ, from outer side to inner side we keep on differentiate. From outer side is having 8, then inner side is root, then one more inner side is 5x plus 3. So like that you have to follow the method. Again I am repeating, from outer side to the inner side. This is for the what? Whenever they give the order of the function, ಈ ರೀತಿ order ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, but for the trigonometric function it is little bit different. Okay, that I told you while solving those type of the examples. This one is how we are going to be solved. X raised to 8. X raised to 8 is 8. X means root 5x plus 3 x raised to 7. 8 x raised to 7 over, then count for the root. Then root of 5x plus 3 is 1 divided by 2 root of 5x plus 3. So root is also over. Then differentiation of 5x plus 3 is, differentiation of 5x is 5. Then differentiation of 3 is 0. Like that you have to do. From outer side to the inner side we keep on differentiate. So that is, we call it as the chain rule. Getting? Then can we go for the one more example? Okay. So the one more example, the same thing we are going to do again. That y equal to, this is what I will take, 4ax square plus bx plus c whole raised, this is in the form of, I will take again the root, whole raised to 5. Whole raised to 5. Then how we are going to be differentiate this one? This is again x raised to 5, but x is in the form of root x. Getting? From outer side to inner side, then dy by dx is equal to, then this is 5, this is x raised to 5. X raised to 5 means 5, x is root 4ax square plus bx plus c 5x raised to 4 over, then root is 1 divided by 2 root of x, 1 divided by 2 root of x, root x is over, then differentiation of x terms is 4ax square, 4a is constant, x square differentiation is 2x, 4 to the 8ax plus b is constant, differentiation of x is 1, b into 1 is b, then differentiation of c is 0. So that's how we do the differentiation. Getting? So after this class I will give some few more examples as the homework to solve. Got it? Okay. So one more example I will take to solve by using the chain rule. Okay. If it is having one of the simple example is like, so whenever they give the example like this, y equal to, that is 2x square plus 5 whole raised to minus 3, then this is x raised to minus n actually. Whenever they give x raised to minus 1, shall I take this one as the x raised to n? We can take this one as the what? 1 divided by x raised to n andru onda, then x raised to minus n andru onda. Getting? So x raised to minus n is nothing but 1 divided by, when it goes to the denominator, then it is becoming plus, the order is becoming, or its power is becoming plus. So I will take this one as the what? Y equal to 1 divided by 2x square plus 5 whole raised to 3. Now it is in the form of what? 1 divided by x raised to n. What is 1 divided by x raised to n? Divided by dx minus n divided from outer side to inner side. Okay, that is minus 3 divided by 2x square plus 5 whole raised to 4 minus n divided by x raised to n plus 1. So its power is over. The differentiation of 2x square plus 5 is 2x square is to the 4x, then plus 5 differentiation is 0. So this is nothing but how we have to take whenever the ratio is in the form of the what? The negative. Got it? Okay. So now I will give some few more example as the homework that you have to be solve in home and show me. Okay. Then the first one example as the homework, y equal to, that is I will take this one as the ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d whole raised to 9. Y equal to, one more is, that is 4 sin x plus 3 cos x plus 1 whole raised to 3. Next one, y equal to, that is root of sin x minus cos x. So here I am using a simple trigonometric function, nothing to be done, just you have to take this one as the x, 1 divided by 2 root of x like that. Then I will go for the trigonometric function in the next class. Then root of I will take this one as the 6ax plus b square whole raised to 3. Then y equal to, I will use some 6 to 8 examples I will use to solve. Okay. Then whole root of, this is 4 minus 3x square divided by 2x cube. Next one, y equal to, this one shall I take this one as the root of 3x plus 1 whole raised to 8. Then one more example, y equal to this one I shall take this 4 tan x minus sin x whole raised to minus 3 whole raised to minus, instead of minus 5 we take the minus 5. This is x raised to minus 5. Okay. And the last one, y equal to this one I can take. So this much examples are enough for today's class. Okay. And some few more examples are there that I will be continuing in the next class. So if you have any doubts regarding these examples, this the homework or else the previous one examples, then you can ask me through the personal call. Okay. Then I will reply you. Okay. If you have any doubts, then you can ask me. So this is what today's end of the class. So thank you.